Hello guys, today let's warm up with the guitar, singer-guitarist. So, you can follow along this. So, you have your guitar, pick up your guitar, put the strap because it's better if you can do this standing. And we're gonna start, so I'm starting on the F sharp on the 8th fret, this position. And then I will go back down like this, okay? So let's start with the I'm going on the B here. Okay, let's do the same, exactly the same. Shake a bit your hand because it's kind of hard positions to start with. So, F sharp. And now we're gonna do the tongue bite. Like this, 8th position, this shape, the A shape. Okay, well done. I'll show you another one. So now we're gonna take this position, like the C shape, but we're gonna do it with the P key and leave the index, because the index, then we're gonna slide up like this, and we're gonna use the index on the 3rd string. Okay, so C sharp, okay, C sharp, D, flat, E, etc., etc. Okay, so we start on the C here. Now we're gonna do okay, so let's start on the C. Your turn. let's go back down. Okay, so what is good doing this is that you warm up both your hands for the guitar, I mean specifically the left hand, and your voice at the same time. So I encourage you to do the same. Okay, now we're gonna do a bit more upbeat stuff. We're gonna do wah, 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 wah. Okay, and we're gonna move up the scale, starting on the E, and with the right hand, this time I'm gonna do wah, 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 your turn. Wah, 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 wah. 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 Back down. Wah, 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 wah. 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 Okay, shall we do another round? This time let's change the sound. We're gonna do so put it really forward here. Ready? Yeah. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this warm-up, and let me know your comments, and don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Bye, have a good day.